Hello and welcome. Today we're taking a look at the MSTJRY 5-port smart USB charging station. That's right, this is a fast and smart power station that you can charge all kinds of your electronic devices with. And it will identify and then provide the proper current for each device. So let's just take a look at what's inside. Open the box up here for you. I like taking a look at the manual right away. The manual is small, but it's in fairly decent size print. So it will be easy to read, all in English. Very nice. Here's the product itself. The charging station. This is, like I said, a 5-port USB charging station. It has a power switch on it. Of course, that's where your cord plugs into. Take a look at the back here for you. There is some certifications there. The FCC certification and the CE certification for Europe. And of course, that is just telling you that it has no electronic magnetic interference if it has the FCC certification there. So that's that. This has got a nice type of a, I'm not sure, it almost feels rubberized on the top material, so that's very nice. We'll set this off to the side and see what else we have inside here. All right, it has your cables here, and there is supposed to be, yes, 3 lightning cables for your Apple devices and 2 micro USB cables that are in the box here. So a total of 5 of those. Get your power cable. And you have your separating plates. So that's everything in the box. And we will come right back, and I'm going to show you how to install the plates into the charging unit. Okay, we are back, and I wanted to show you what one of these plates look like, and the company did a very nice job too, I must say, when they wrapped all these up so that they are not scratched during shipment. They had each one of these individually wrapped. Very impressive. But I wanted to show you this. You kind of get an extra plate because I wanted to separate. You can see you don't have to separate those, so then you can use this plate as well. But I wanted to leave mine separated because I have some devices that are rather large, like an iPad that's in a protective case. So I just went ahead and did it this way. Now, the one thing I wanted to tell you guys about is when you're putting these in here, you need to firmly, and I'm going to demonstrate, firmly press these in. You might hear them snap when they go into place, like that. Then you know you have it in. Okay, so it's very important. If you don't put those in tightly, your device may fall over. You don't want that to happen. So be very steady about it and just push, and there you go. It's in place. So there's not much to that, but I did want to demonstrate that to you. Also, I wanted to let you know too about the cord sizes on the unit, the power cord here. Of course, this is a 110 and 240, up to 240 volt unit. So I wanted to tell you though about the length of the cords, because some folks, you know, they like to know about that sort of thing. So the actual power cord in itself is 4 feet 11 inches long, and then these cords that you're using to charge your devices, those are about 9 inches long. And like I said, you do get 3 lightning cables for your Apple products, and then 2 regular micro USB charging cables. Some of the other things I just wanted to tell you about really quickly with the device is that each USB port is 5 volt, that's 0.24 amps, for a total of 8 amps or 40 watts on this unit. And the diameter of the unit is 6 3/8 inches long. It's 5 1/16 inch wide, and it's 1¼ inches tall. So that's how large the unit is. You can charge anything really on this. It has an intelligent chip inside, and so it's going to properly charge your devices. And you can charge PS4 controllers, PS3 controllers, Bluetooth speakers, iPads, Fitbits, cell phones, of course, all types of electronic devices. And the only other thing I guess I really wanted to tell you guys about was that it does have some other features as well, and that's like the overload protection. It's very important because it keeps your devices from overheating by always delivering the proper voltage. It's got high-speed charging for each port as well. It delivers up to the 2.4 amps, giving your devices its maximum rate for power charging. And it does a real nice job. It's fast and it's smart. So let's just plug some devices in. And let's start with my Bluetooth speaker here. Let's plug that in, and let's see here. There we go. And we'll get the Bluetooth speaker here and get that thing charging up. Of course, you got to make sure that the switches turned on. And so there we go. Switch is on and the light is on, so it is charging. You also have a little indicator right there, if you can see that. It's very, very tiny, but it's blue and letting you know that it's charging. So there's one device that we have charging. Then we have a cell phone, and we'll get that plugged in. Have to find the right cable here for that. And let's see, here it is. We'll get the cell phone plugged in here and get that charging. It's really nice. You can plug everything in and get everything charging, right away. It's you don't have to wait. You have all this. There we go. It's now charging. We can set that in there. And then we've got the iPad Air here. That's going to take the lightning cable. So I will get that plugged in here. And we will also plug that in. Now I don't have too many devices, so I can't fill up the whole thing, but I can get a few things in here anyway and demonstrate anyway to you guys. There we go. And as you saw, it turned on, and that's now charging. And it sits in there nicely too. It does a very nice job. Again, make sure that you press these in firmly. If you don't, your devices are going to fall over. So don't be afraid. Just be very steady about it and press those in, and they should work fine. The last thing I wanted to tell you about, folks, is this unit here has a 12-month limited warranty upon normal use. Don't spill anything on it. That doesn't count under your warranty. So make sure that you take good care of it, and it should last you a good long time. So I hope you liked the video, and like I said, one of the better units out there.